Have you stumbled upon a stunning Pinterest photo which you would like to save or download to your photo gallery? This video is going to show you how to do just that, so follow my steps carefully. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more easy tech tips and app tutorials every week. Let's start by opening the Pinterest app on our phone, and then we're going to browse and find a photo which we like. I'll quickly search for a bathroom photo as an example for this video, so I'll use my search bar, type bathroom, and then hit enter on my keyboard. Pinterest will now give me a lot of quality photos which I can look at, but let's say I need this specific photo in my photo gallery. I'll tap on this photo or this pin in order to open it, then locate these three little dots next to the Share button. That will open a menu with a couple of options, and you'll just want to tap on the Download Image option, which should be the first option from the top. The photo will then be saved into our photo gallery just like that. I'll now exit the Pinterest application, open the photo gallery, and here is my picture. If you found this video useful and you would like more similar videos like this one, then please make sure to like this video and I'll see you in the next one.